Hello everyone, my name is Kisanapong Panti. This video will present my assignment tool. The assignment tool is the finding the Uno card and classify it. The first I use the Uno deck tree. I will slide this to one picture like this. I will show. I will crop it and slide it for a deck. After I crop, I save it like this. This blue one, blue two, yes. Plus two revert or stop, and plus four, and the change color. This is the data set, and I make it the 5 data set, a data test to check how it works. It have the 1 card, 5 picture. Yes, this is unique card, and 2 card is unique for the 5 picture, and 3 card and 4 card. This is data test for my program. Now I will show the result first. I will test the first. I use the data test is color card 4, 5. This it will find where the card and detect them and classify that color and number. Yes, I will run. Find card. Yes. The screen will show stop blue, revert green, plus 2 yellow or plus 4, and the program will print the card from left to right. This will show you. And so if we change or if we change the card to test, so also I will check this 5, 4. Let me second for quick. Okay, I use the card for this picture for test. Yeah, this will show and detect the red rectangle will detect the card like a 0 green, 1 blue, 5 red or 3 yellow. And if we test that all, I run it already because it have a lot of the time to take it. I test it already. I will show you. Yes, this result. Yeah, 6 yellow, 9 blue, correct. Stop and red, correct. 3. Oh, it take it. The 3 is red. That's wrong. Right, correct. The program can detect no, can classify card is 9 or 6. That can be 5, 4, 3, stop, revert, and plus 1 plus 4. Or can detect 2 or plus 2 or 2 already. Revert. If the card is the same color, it can be detect and stop, and 0 and X is similar card. Oh, it can find the 2 yellow. That's okay. Oh, 5 yellow, 7 yellow. Okay. Now I will show the code if you run. The first step, I have to load the image of the dataset. Yes, I load it and save it to dictionary. Now I will push the data from load image to file card. This function will classify and file the card. The first I will reshape the card because the data test is the picture in card is smaller than the data set. That means why I resize that image. Yes, I resize from 10% to 400%. That will resize, and I use the template, matching template, because that is easy to match without to use the machine learning or deep learning algorithm. I use that threshold on 0.86. Yes, and until this I will classify color from the picture, from the pixel, and return the image and location. This it will return the dictionary of the first one card is can find. So that it will take this loop for check the first card from left to right. From this will show. And another one is color. This will check the card is what is color. It have the red, yellow, and green, and blue. This will use the convert the RGB color from default image to the HSV, because that can easy to find the range color. Yes, this will return the text of number of color, and I will put it on the image on this. This will create rectangle on the card in the red. So I think it's on now. It's not have to be set. I will give the GitHub link this project on my video description. Goodbye.